What's going on, everyone? So today I'm going to be showing you what you could get in an Adams Polish mystery box. I am not sponsored by Adams Polishes, but if you are by any chance watching this, so I'm not here to tell you that Adams Polishes are the best products out there, but I have found Adams Polishes to work great. If you found out another product that works great for you, then continue on using that. But if you would like to try these products, I would highly recommend them. So if you haven't heard of Adams Polishes, they are all over social media. They do some really great giveaways and have some really cool products here, like this mystery box. They do different size mystery boxes and also have a 5-gallon mystery bucket. So today, this is the $29.99 mystery box that you get over $45 worth of products. They also do another $79.99, which I believe you get over $125 worth of products. And then they have a couple 5-gallon mystery buckets as well, which is really cool. So this isn't my first mystery box here. I haven't actually opened this up yet, so this will be like Christmas that we'll be sharing together right now, so it should be really fun. So I do have quite a few products by Adams Polishes already. I am nowhere near like a Fleet or an Arsenal that like Cow SRT8 or Miss Natasha on Instagram have. You can see it in their Instagram pictures here. They basically have like almost the entire product line by Adams Polishes, and that is quite an array of things. Adams Polishes takes care of everything you can possibly think of with car care products. So please go check them out if you haven't already. Anyways, let's get into opening this. Before we do open this, I will say if I do have anything already, it's not going to be a disappointment because I will be using it definitely in the future. So let's get to opening this mystery box. Really excited to see what we got. So first off, we have a 10-inch car wash pad that we can put on one of our buffers, or we can use with our hands. And now we got some bottles we got some really nice wheel cleaner. I do have this, but I only have a little left, so this is perfect, came right in handy. I'll definitely be using this right when we get out of this winter here to clean up my wheels on both my Legacy GT and my Z06. We also have this Eco all-purpose cleaner. This comes in, it's exactly what it says. You can use this all-purpose cleaner pretty much on anything and it does a really good job. And then we have this wash and wax. And again, everything is pretty self-explanatory as what Adams Polishes makes here. So this wash and wax, you can just put it in a bucket, fill it up, wash your car, and it's a combination wash and wax. So this is very nice. I actually don't have this, so this is very good. We got some spray nozzles for all of the bottles that we got. And then we have a nice Adams Polishes sticker and a nice American flag mint. So that is what we get in this $29.99 mystery box. Now these all by themselves are anywhere from like 10 to 15 bucks. So right away, this is more than your $29.99 that you spent. This is definitely about, I think, $47 to $52. So this is well worth the mystery box. And it's really fun. Like I said, it's pretty much like a Christmas present, opening up things that you don't know what you're gonna get, and you can use all of these products. So this is a really cool way to order your Adams Polishes products with a little sense of mystery, and you can never go wrong with the essentials for cleaning your car. So I have met Adam, the owner of Adams Polishes, last year down at Corvettes at Carlisle. We did speak for a little bit, and he's actually a really cool and down-to-earth guy. Now I will be heading out to Colorado in the very near future, set aside from this, but I may have the opportunity to stop by their new warehouse that they just moved into and get some awesome new content for you guys. So please stay tuned for that. Also, if you have purchased an Adams Polishes mystery box or Adams Polishes mystery bucket, please feel free to comment down in the comment section below and share your experience. Thank you guys again for watching this video. If you're stopping by for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Take care.